Welcome aboard the Deadwood Gulch Railroad, your go-to destination for all things in miniature railroads and dioramas. On this channel, we're gearing up for an exciting adventure as we guide you through the enchanting world of painting and assembling the extraordinary structures handcrafted by designs by Schoenfelder, readily available on our Etsy store. Find that direct link in the description below. Don't hesitate, click away. Get ready to ignite your creative spark and bring your miniature universe to life. Join us for an enthralling and inspiring journey that's absolutely unmissable. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. As the sun sets over Deadwood Gulch, we want to express our deepest gratitude to all of you, our incredible viewers and subscribers, for being a part of our journey here at Deadwood Gulch Railroad. Your support has been the driving force behind our passion for model railroading, and it's what keeps us striving to create the most captivating and detailed layouts possible. We've had a fantastic time sharing our Paint and Go series models with you, and we can't wait to bring you more exciting content in the future. Your likes, subscriptions, and comments mean the world to us, and they motivate us to keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of model railroading. We love hearing your special requests and ideas, and we'll continue to do our best to turn them into reality in our store. Our commitment to improving our store and enhancing your shopping experience will never waver. Your feedback is our compass, guiding us toward providing you with the highest level of satisfaction and quality products. So until we meet again on Deadwood Gulch Railroad, we bid you a fond farewell and hope to see you soon. Your continued support and enthusiasm fuel our passion for this hobby, and we can't wait to share more unforgettable moments with you. Good day, fellow railroaders.